Robbing that shit wavy.
Alright y'all, so this hair is from another Amazon vendor and I will be reviewing it and installing this wig for you guys. Packaging was nothing too major, just came in that box and then this little bag, and it says that it is a T-lace, 180% density, 1B and 30, that's the color, and it's a kinky curly wig in 14 inches. Okay, so the hair is really soft. I'm not gonna do too much when it comes to pulling out the curls right now, but this is what it's looking like. Super cute, really natural, and this is actually my first natural hair that I got from Amazon that is human hair. Yeah, I'm just going to pin my braids up as tight as I can get them. You see how my freaking baby's hair is still poking out? I hate that. Just gonna push it back as much as possible. That's good. So I'm just going to spray my Got To Be antifreeze along the edges all the way around. Just gonna put the ears first, cut little slits through the ears, and then I'm gonna pull my ear out of that little hole. That way it doesn't create like a run and the wig cap won't lift up too much.
Robbing that shit wavy.
See that, see that, see that, see that? Okay. Now I'm gonna cut the middle. Y'all, this hair is like so soft, and I'm not gonna pluck it. Should I pluck it? Yeah, this is super cute. Alright y'all, so I'm going to be using the Got To Be spiking glue to lay down the lace. I'm just gonna put it from ear to ear. The important thing about adding glue, especially if it has like a white color, is you want to make sure that it dries up clear first before laying down the lace, or else you will have white residue. So you want to make sure that you're spreading it out all the way. And it's very important that you know your hairline is not right at the edge, so that you're able to add glue on the cap as well. Because the less glue you use on your hairline, the less hair is going to be pulled when it's time to remove your lace. Alright, so I pulled my lace down, and I'm gonna keep on the lace until it's dry before I cut it. So far so good, like it looks good. You see it's still white, so I'm gonna take my blow dryer and dry it up some more. I'm gonna pull out a little bit of baby hairs over here, and I'm gonna make sure that the lace is down by putting on an elastic band. I'm just gonna pull out a little bit. I don't like too many baby hairs. And right where the hair is not laying down, I'm gonna pull it down as much as possible and put some more glue down. Alright, so I'm gonna just let this stay on for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to get back to y'all. This is really tight. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I have taken off the elastic band. It is glued down on the side. Still a bit white, so we're gonna cut as close as I can to get that white off, and then I'll show you guys how I get it off as well. So we're just gonna cut it right down the middle. As close as you can to the hairline. And I'm gonna do this off camera. Where am I? Let's see if I can do it, y'all. But it's off now. So I'm gonna have to glue some of this down, and I'll show you how. Just give me a minute and I'm gonna cut this off. Alright y'all, I finally got the lace laid, cleaned up of most of the white stuff, residue and stuff. I think it looks good. To lay down the lifting lace, I just sprayed some more Got To Be Freeze spray instead of the spiking gel, because that's what was causing the white residue. The freeze spray, you know, sprays on clear. And then I put on the elastic band one more round. So now I'm just going to cut my little baby hair sections. I pulled out 2 sections on each side. So I'm gonna cut a little more than an inch down. And I'm still deciding if I want to use, you know, both sections, but we're gonna see. edge effect, edge control. Not saying it's the best, it's just what we're using today. Okay. Alright, you guys, so this is what the hair is looking like down. This is what it's looking like. I really like it. The hair feels so freaking soft, y'all, and it looks natural. Like, it looked like it could be my hair texture, actually, just a little bit looser curl. I wish my hair would just stay like this, but my hair is like a lot more shrinkage. But I really like this hair. Just gonna fluff it out a bit. Now I'm going to add some water to see what it's gonna look like. Just a little bit. This is a way that you can also refresh the hair to get it looking more curly. And it just curls right up. But yeah, just scrunch it up. Yeah. Super cute. And you can trim it to shape it to your face. Me, right now, I'm not going to, because I don't like to do too much to a wig when I first get it, but like along the way of me wearing the wig, I might. But you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one.